Hi everyone, I'm Ashely from Food Camp, responsible for American market. At Food Camp, I bring forth dedication and energy to every client interaction. I truly enjoy connecting with partners from around the world and challenging myself to grow. Outside work, I love traveling and exploring different cultures. I also have a sweet dog who fills my life with joy and calm. Food Camp is a one-stop provider of food ingredients and additives. Our own factory, FoodMate, specializes in gelatin, collagen peptides, and more. Thanks to the support of our global partners, our products are now widely recognized and well received in markets worldwide. I love to introduce our collagen peptides, made from high-quality bovine and fish source. They are widely used in supplements, functional drinks, and gummies, which are popular in both Europe and Americas. Besides, all our products are halal, FDA, and GMP certified. We are excited about the opportunity to work with you and build a long-term win-win partnership. Our ingredients, your success.